Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn copying the body is circular. On the design area there are two bodies. Body 1 and body 2. We are going to copy the body 2 and rotate around the whole of body 1. To copy body 2, click to select body 2. The move rotate is applied to body 2. Because we want to copy and rotate around the whole of body 1. So we have to change the pivot point of body 2 to the center of the body 1. To change the pivot point, place the mouse onto the pivot point. The cross has appeared. Click in hole. Drag to move to specific point. You could snap the pivot point to the face, vertex, edge. And release the mouse. Because I want to copy and rotate around the whole of body 1. So I have to place the pivot point of body 2 to the whole center of body 1. Click copy. On the dimension label, click the arrow and drag. To define the angle, the new body is created. The copy is still activated. Click the curved arrow and drag to create another new body and define the angle. Click and drag to create one more body. Click the copy label to deactivate copy.